2000多万美金是一个户口，这样你总共户口加起来是那个数目多少？
可能陆陆续续前前后后啊，加起来可能有3000多万吧。
3000多万美金，哇！
Are you not satisfied with your current investment portfolio, or even losing money in your investment for quite some time? What if I tell you that we have a scientifically tested and proven AI quant with 99.9% accuracy to improve your return on investment significantly? Do you want to be part of this? Maxima Value is a New York-based international wealth management firm that uses artificial intelligence to invest in global investment market efficiently. This world-class quant algorithm has been tested and proven for more than 10 years, since 2012 with $80 billion transacted volume. We automate investors' wealth by using our AI-powered quant system. It's totally hassle-free and just plug and play and profit. If you want to be part of this revolutionary journey, sign up for our investor club right now to get into the frontier of investment world in this new era of human. Maxima Value, enriching your life.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one topic. Today's topic many people ask me how to apply the quant AI, quant methodology in different markets, and what is the potential returns or profit or prospect. Okay, how is it look like? Today I will show you a few ideas on how to apply it and what is the results for the most recent week. From there you might get some idea. Of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me right here. Comment down below, and I will try to answer you as I will do everything I can to answer you to help you. Or you can, if not immediately, maybe I will address to your questions and help you in the next session. Okay, next session for our next video. Okay, now we are here I will talk about 7 levels of investors. Okay, for you as a future or current existing investors, or you want to explore a career or business in global financial market. This you might be interested. Maybe you will get interested in what I'm going to talk later. Okay. Now, first, we are going to talk about level 1. Okay, what is level 1? We call it living on the edge. Okay, what does it mean? Living on the edge. Basically, based on our data, it generate about 275.19% net profit in a week, with maximum 77.54% risk. That means $100. We use $100 as a case study. Okay, $100 maximum risk is $77.54. But the potential returns, okay, in the most recent week is $275.19. Okay, how it looks like. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, for example, this is level 1. Okay, level 1, $100. Okay, we use $100 as a case study. So that means for every $100, okay, this is the potential you can achieve. And we use S&P 500, the 500 largest stock companies in the US stock market, which is the biggest stock market in the whole world. Okay, and we use one of our, well, we have thousands of quant AI software, and this is one of them. We use one of them, and this is the results. Okay, very fast we look at the most recent results. Okay, yeah, this is the results, realized one, and this is the risk, 77.12% risk, and with gross profit of the profit, yeah, sorry, because it haven't closed. Okay, yeah, hold on, I think they might have some error here. $100.
Long.
Okay, oh sorry, I used the wrong software. Yeah, this is the one. This is the right one. Okay, this is the right one. Basically, we long the market because overall in S&P 500 for the past 90 years, okay, is uptrend. Okay, over the long term, based on our data for 90 years, based on our data for 5 years, 3 years, even 1 year is uptrend as well. So we basically we will do long in we long the market because it will give us the best chances in the short term, mid term, and long term. Okay, long software. Okay, for 1 minute chart, we apply this in the 1 minute chart. $100. Yep. Okay, this is result. Okay, you can see. Maybe I show you slowly. Okay, you can graduate. Okay, let's forget about the chart. Let's even forget about the chart because we don't even need that, because many people feel that it's very complicated to look at chart and analyze the chart and have maybe hundreds of indicators in their chart. Very hard to make decision and simply too hard for them to apply, especially for total beginner. But in using our method, quant AI method, you basically just look at numbers. You don't even need to look at chart. Okay, and numbers is give you a very clear idea, very specific. Okay, basically $100, what you can achieve here. You can see this is for the most recent week. This is 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute chart, you will have one of the highest frequency of tradings. This is especially for 1 minute chart. Basically, human is out of human capability to execute the trades like this. Something like this. Only you can only do it with systems. Okay, from about 1 minute. From okay here until here. Okay, realized one. And from here you can see, okay, this is 77.93%. Around there. Okay, around the 77.54, around there. Okay, 77%. Okay, and what about the level 2? Just now I just mentioned on level 1, which is one of the, if you were to pursue the highest growth you can, okay, if you are the bravest one and trying to pursue the highest growth you can with using this method on S&P 500. Next we will talk about level 2, which is still relatively higher growth, of course not as high as level 1. Okay, not okay. Now we will talk about level 2. Okay, level 2, we call it high growth taker, and it achieved 187% net profit in a week with 66.9% risk. That means for every $100 you risk maximum $66.9, okay, and you potentially can generate $187.75, $187.75. Again, you risk 66 maximum $66.90. Okay, and look, I will show you how we generate that. Okay, this one we use 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart, and same thing, we use S&P 500, one of the very representative index to represent US stock market, which is the biggest stock market in the whole world. Okay, for 1 week, $100, same thing, by using $100, and let's see the results. Okay, let's look at the results. Okay, you can see that it's still quite a high frequency, still relatively higher frequencies of tradings, but not as high as 1-minute chart, but still quite a lot of trading involved. And you can see these are all the balance and profit and losses generated, and this is the end results. Okay, upon end of 1 week, the most recent week. Yup, okay. So 187, but close and stop here, it means you haven't closed yet. Okay, if let's say because this is the end of the date, we test the figure, but realized one will be 286. Okay, but now, and on net you can see is 66.9%, about 67 here. Okay, from this test is around there, 67.07%, 67%. Okay, maximum risk, $100 you risk maximum. Okay, not, in fact, it's not all the time you risk this kind of money, but for every $100, because it just show you the maximum. Okay, not all the time. Yeah, and maybe quite once in maybe one time in the whole week, you have this kind of risk. Okay, yep, so this is level 2. The next, we are going to show you level 3. Okay, level 3, what we call, okay, we call it level 3, double the cash, is about 99%. Okay, net profit in the week, it means $99. Okay, for every $100 you generate $199 potentially in a week, and with the maximum risk of $51 maximum at most. And let me show you how we do it. Okay, this one we are going to use another software. Okay, S&P 500, same thing, $100, okay, as a start. And let's look at the results. Okay, this is the results for the most recent week. Okay, up to now, up to here. Okay, $199, and the maximum drawdown here is 51.76%. Yeah, it's around 51, 51.8%, around 52 maximum. So that means every $100 you risk maximum not more than $52, and you generate a profit of net profit 99 in a week. So next we will show altogether. I'm going to show you seven levels for different type of investor. Depends. You just have so they can have an idea which one suit you the most. Okay, level 4. Okay, level 4 we call this. Now level 4 we call it okay, the golden balance. Okay, golden balance. With this strategy, you risk at most $39. Okay, $39 for every $100, but generate about $62 in a week. And how we do it? Let me show you. Okay, $100. Okay, as a start. Same thing for on by using S&P 500, we long S&P 500. And let's look at the results. Okay, these are all the transactions for one whole week. Yep. And this is the more detailed report. Okay, from here you can see, yeah, it is around 40% risk maximum about 40% risk, and that means for every $100 you risk not more than around 40, not more than 41, but with the potential returns of about 60, 62, or yeah, around 60 net profit in a week. These are all based on the most recent week data. Okay, we are going to look at the next level. Altogether we have 7 levels, now another 3. Okay, level 5 we call it Pareto fence. Okay, is the 80-20 rules, right? Okay, 80-20 rules. So you risk about 20%, 20% risk. That means every $100 you risk at most is around $20, but you achieve around more than $50 net profit in a week potentially. Let me show you how we do this. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, same thing. We look at 5-minute chart, and okay, this one we are going to use another software. Using $100 as a start. Okay, looking the one whole week, most recent week, applying on S&P 500. Okay, we long S&P 500 as well. Okay, let's look at the results. Okay, these are the results. Lesser transaction, right? And yep, here is around $55 profit with around 21% risk maximum. That means for every $100 you risk at most around $21, and you generate potentially $55. Okay, around $55 in a week by using this strategy. Okay, we are going to two more levels. Okay, level 6, we call it the 10%. Okay, here you can see that the risk is lower, right? Also, you may generate lower profit as well, but still the reward is more than the risk. Okay, maximum $9. And for every $100 you risk at most maximum $9, around $9, and you generate potentially $12 net profit in a week. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, this one we are going to use 5-minute chart as well, and S&P 500, and we long S&P 500. Okay, by using another software. $100 as a start. For the most recent week, let's look at the results. Okay, this is the results. Around $12. Okay, net $12 profit. Here actually the risk shown here is lower. Okay, it's around 7%. Okay, not more than 9. In fact, not more than 10% risk. Okay, you potentially can generate net profit of $12 net for this strategy. Okay, here we come to the final level of final strategies for the ultimate level of investors, which are the most prudent one or most conservative one. Here, let's look at level 7. Leave your legacy. It's called Leave Your Legacy. Okay, basically in a week, this strategy generates 7.5% net profit. Okay, with the risk at most 4.74%. That means for every $100, okay, generate $7.50 by risking less than 5%. Okay, at most. Okay, I will show you how we do this. How to do this. And this one, okay, we are going to long S&P 500 as well, and apply this on 5-minute chart. Okay, $100 as a start for the most recent week. Okay, level and the software level 7. Let's look at results. Okay, yup, here you go. $7.50 net profit in a week for every $100, 7.5%. By risking, here it actually is less than 4%. Okay, less than 4%. Yeah, not more than 5%, less than 5%. Okay, this is one of the lowest risk for out of all the 7 levels of ideas we talk about today on how to apply quant AI, quantitative methods, or quant AI in S&P 500, okay, global financial market, US stock market. Okay, so here are all the idea I've shown you today, and if you have any questions, you may leave the comment in the comment, okay, down below. I will do my best, okay, to answer you in our next video. And also, if you don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow us. I'm going to do my best to give to provide more and more value, okay, on how to monetize, how to be successful, okay, how to build a career, how to build a business, or how to build a successful portfolio in global financial market in the future videos, okay. We do our best to do this every 1 or 2 days, okay, and every 1 day, in fact. So do follow us and keep follow us closely. And I will see you soon. If you have any questions or you want to talk to us, okay, you may go to our website as well, maximavalue.com, okay, and I will see you in the next video.